Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, which will present you with all the toggles, and then in this area right here you want to swipe down once more, and this will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing the Do Not Disturb toggle by default. Once you see it, first time around, hold it. Let's try that again. There we go. And then select Details. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Interesting option in here, which I do want to talk about, is the For How Long, which allows you to choose how long the mode will run when you manually turn it on. And by default, it would be set to run until you turn it off, not the ask every time. And the option that I personally like is a timed one, so I would set it up to something like 4 hours, which would cover whatever need I have for it, plus just a little bit of time extra for any kind of case. And once the time runs out, if I don't turn it off myself, the device will turn it off for me. I can obviously go over other options, like for instance schedules right here, and choose what will happen when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you have done so, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back there again, as long as you don't want to change anything. Now, finding the toggle once more, whenever you want to use it, just tap on a toggle and you're good to go. Now, with the way it's set for me right now, it will turn off after 4 hours, but I can do that myself by tapping on a toggle once again, which is probably what you want to do if you remembered that you turned it on and you want to get rid of it. Alternatively, you can just have it set as a schedule, and then the device will turn it on and off for you at a specified day of the week and start and end time. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.